Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the exact workbook you want to check. Make sure auto recover and cloud storage are enabled because that affects available history. Once done, save a copy to avoid accidental overwrites, and note whether the file sits on OneDrive, SharePoint, or locally. You need this context because Excel stores version history differently depending on location. Now move to the File menu to begin the actual history check. This is the first actionable navigation step. You go to File, select Info, then Version History so you can see saved snapshots. This shows timestamps and who saved them. Once visible, click a version to open it side by side. This lets you compare changes without disturbing the current file. Make sure to use the Compare view or copy specific sheets into your copy if you only need parts. If version history is empty, confirm the file's storage location and autosave status. Before concluding there's no retrievable, you can restore a selected version to revert changes or extract needed cells and paste them into your working copy. Restore when you're certain because it replaces current content. After restoring, save with a date-stamped file name so you keep a clear audit trail. If history isn't available, check autosave and whether the file is on OneDrive or SharePoint. Also verify you have proper permissions. If permissions or cloud syncing fail, enable autosave and re-upload to capture future history. This solves most missing history.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.